Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, very quickly, I will show you how to easily play Sekiro on PC with your PS4 controller. So basically DualShock 4. Guys, it is very simple. For this to work, you can do it in two ways. So basically, there's option number one. You just connect your PS4 controller to your computer by using your wire into your USB port on your PC. With having the Steam installed, Steam will automatically configure your controller to be able to function easily and support Sekiro natively. So you don't have to download any kind of third-party software and mess around with any other stuff. This is option number one. If you want a more customizable experience that I personally prefer, that also works flawlessly wirelessly, so without the wire, you can also use an app that I will show you now. Alright guys, so there's this handy app called DS for Windows that we have previously already made tutorials for in the past. It is very easy to set up. So to start the setup progress, when you firstly launch this application, you will have to go through the initial setup process, right? So I'm going to the driver setup. So you will just need to install this VIGM bus driver. After that, hit hard driver, close out, restart your PC, and after that, as you can see, we have this main tab which says controllers, and this is the main tab that you will be working with, right, all the time. So to show you that this app functions, let me connect my controller. I have just pressed a button on my controller. So let us take a look. Alright, press start now. And as you can see, now I have my DualShock 4 controller connected to my computer, and as you can see, I have a selected profile in here as well. So also make sure that this connection is exclusive. To do this, you need to go to Edit in your profile and make sure, wait, it's not here. You need to go to the settings and make sure to tick Hide DS4 controller so that your controller is exclusively used by this application and you have no other problems and issues with compatibility. So in my case, I'm just going to disconnect my controller like that and connect it once again, and you will see now that I will not have that cross thingy signifying that the connection is not exclusive. Alright, as you can see, I now have a check mark, and this means that this app is completely functional. In terms of setting it up, just go to Profiles, create a new profile. For example, I will edit my Genshin profile. So as you can see, you can attach and assign any buttons that you want. I have just basically made a preset that is completely identical in terms of the button placement to the original DualShock, so X for X, circle for circle, etc. The only thing that I have changed for my particular Genshin Impact game profile is I increased the sensitivity of my right stick. Okay, so if I go to the right stick, you can probably see that my sensitivity is set to 2.5. So this is actually quite high. But Genshin on the controller for some reason has a very low sensitivity for the analog sticks, so I had to actually bump it up to 2.5. So as I, for example, scroll up and we have the left stick, as you can see, the left stick sensitivity is default 1.0, and this one is 2.5 because Genshin, yeah, it just sucks in terms of sensitivity for the right stick. So you just need to create your profile, and after that connect your controller. How to connect your controller I will briefly show you as well. Okay guys, so you go to your Windows settings, you go to devices, you go to add Bluetooth or other devices. On your controller you press options, you press share and the PS logo button on the very middle of the controller simultaneously together. When you see your LED start flashing, you go to add Bluetooth or device, Bluetooth, it will scan, find your controller, and you will easily connect your controller to your system. After that, go back to your app and press the start button and your controller should be recognized. In terms of customization, it's entirely up to you guys. In terms of editing your profile, as you can see, you can set your dead zones, you can set the buttons, you can rebind them any way you want. So you can swap, for example, sticks. Maybe you're a lefty, maybe you want to swap the right stick with the left one. You can do that in this app very easily. For example, what else? We can also set our maximum pull rate, which basically equals to our delay of our control. As you can see, mine is set to 1 millisecond. This is the minimum of the minimum. Also, you can, as you can see the input delay right here in the controller readings section. So this app is very handy, and it will be completely supported by Sekiro. Okay guys? Right, so by using this app, you can easily play Sekiro on your PC by using your PS4 controller. Guys, thanks for watching. If this helps, press like, subscribe. See you next time.